This is the video tutorial that will help you to remove fake alerts and really intrusive advertisements that are related to the site iBuyThought.com. iBuyThought.com is a malicious site. It may attack Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. iBuyThought.com tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. The truth is that it's a mistake to click on allow, because this would hijack your browser. The browser will be hijacked with a lot of advertisements that will be attacking the screen from time to time. To deactivate such ads, access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Now in Permissions, select Notifications and carefully examine the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site from the list. To be convinced that the system is free of any other possibly concealed threats, I recommend that you investigate your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. So it will help you to effectively detect and delete other threats. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and then begin examining the system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.